Good morning. How are you doing today?
Good morning. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Did you have a good morning?
Yes, I did. I got here a little early today.
That's nice. Do you usually come in this early?
Not always. I usually arrive around 9.
I see. Are you busy this morning?
Yes, I have a lot of work to finish.
What are you working on right now?
I'm working on the new marketing project.
Oh, the new project? How is it going?
It's going well so far.
Do you need any help with it?
Actually, yes. I have a few questions.
Sure. What do you need help with?
I'm not sure how to organize the information.
Have you started the report yet?
Yes, I started it yesterday afternoon.
Can I take a look at it?
Of course. Here, take a look.
Your report looks good so far.
Really? I thought it needed some changes.
I think you just need to organize a few sections.
Okay, which sections should I change?
I would start with the introduction.
Okay, that makes sense.
Then you can move the numbers to the next section.
That sounds like a good idea.
Would you like me to show you an example?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Let me open the file on my computer.
Sure, I'll wait.
Here's an example from our last project.
Oh, I understand now.
See how the information is divided into 3 sections?
Yes, that makes it much easier to read.
Exactly. Simple organization makes a big difference.
I agree. I'll organize mine the same way.
When do you need to finish the report?
I need to finish it by Friday.
That gives you a few days.
Yes, but I also have 2 other projects.
Wow, you're pretty busy this week.
I know. It's been a busy week.
Do you have a lot of meetings too?
Yes, I have a meeting this afternoon.
What time is the meeting?
It starts at 2 o'clock.
Who's going to be in the meeting?
Our manager and the marketing team.
Are you going to present the project?
Yes, I'm going to present the first part.
Are you nervous about it?
A little. I don't usually give presentations.
Don't worry, you'll do a great job.
Thanks. I really hope so.
Have you practiced your presentation?
Yes, I practiced it twice last night.
That's good. Practice always helps.
Definitely. I feel more confident now.
Do you need someone to practice with?
Actually, that would be great.
We can practice together after lunch.
Thank you. I'd really appreciate that.
No problem. What time is your lunch break?
I usually take lunch around 12:30.
Same here. Where do you usually eat?
There's a small cafe near the office.
I know that cafe. Their sandwiches are pretty good.
Yes, I love their chicken sandwich.
Maybe we can grab lunch there today.
Sure, that sounds good.
Great. Let's go around 12:30.
Perfect. I'll meet you here.
Before lunch, do you want to finish this report?
Yes, I want to finish the first section.
I can help you with the formatting if you want.
That would save me a lot of time.
No problem. We can do it together.
You're really helpful. Thank you.
That's what coworkers are for, right?
Exactly. Teamwork makes things easier.
Do you enjoy working with this team?
Yes, everyone is very supportive.
That's good to hear. A good team makes work more enjoyable.
I completely agree.
By the way, do you have any plans after work?
I'm going home. I'm pretty tired today.
I understand. It's been a long day already.
Yes, but I still have a lot to finish.
Let's finish this part first. Then you can take a break.
Good idea. I'll feel better once this is done.
I think we're making good progress.
Yes, we are. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
I really appreciate it.
Okay, let's get back to work.
Absolutely. Let's finish this project.
Great. We've got this.
Yes, let's do it.